Since 2018, we have been timeless crafting a rattan art pieces with passion and precision. Our artisan skills created durable and unique products that blend heritage with modern lifestyle. Bale Rattan aims to build the local economy and introduce local handcraft to the world. We have received the first place Dekranasta Award in 2022 with Home Decoration category and also been awarded by Bank Indonesia as the best export-oriented UMKM in 2024. We have participated in the Trade Expo Indonesia in a Craft 10 Interior Lifestyle Tokyo exhibition.